Hello and welcome to Bridges Clarity. I'm Samara from the Bridges team. If this is your first time here, this quick tour will help you get familiar with the platform and show you where everything is before you start using Bridges Clarity as a clinician or administrator. Let's begin. At the top of the page, you will see Complete Your Clinic Configuration. These are the four setup steps we recommend completing before inviting your first family. First, clinic profile, where you will add your clinic's contact information and program details. The next, practitioner profile, where you choose your practitioner type and clinical lens, so AI generated summaries are tailored to your specialty. And then team members, where you can invite colleagues to your workspace. If you work independently, simply select I work solo and continue. And finally, programs. And this is where you will create the programs, intake stages, and forms your clinic will use with families. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a few quick access tools. Use the speech bubble to send feedback, bug report, or contact our support team directly. Next to it is the notification icon. And on the far right, you will find quick access to your profile and clinic settings. Now, let's take a look at the navigation menu on the left. Here, you will find Worklist, Intake, Forms, My Profile, Prompt Templates, and the AI Sandbox. Under Clinic Admin, you will find Dashboard, Clinic Settings, Clinic Team, and Program Settings. At the bottom of the menu, you will always have access to the Help Center. There, you will find getting started guides, tutorials, answers to common questions, and other helpful resources for using Bridges Clarity. If you ever need assistance while using the platform, we are here to help. Simply send us a message using the speech bubble or email us at support@neuroai.ca, and a member of our team will be more than happy to assist you. And that's it for your quick tour. Now that you know your way around Bridges Clarity, you are ready to explore the platform and start managing your clinic.